A human hair measures about 3 thousandths of an inch. We're holding tolerances up to 1/6 of that. Central Shops produces a lot of the parts and components that directly support the lab. Unlike traditional machine shops where you make repetitive parts, this job is unique that nothing is ever really the same. Everything is really custom. I work directly with the scientists, some of the engineers. They come to us with an idea. We help create their blueprints from a one-off part to small batch components. The tolerances that we hold here are anywhere between plus or minus 5 thousandths of an inch. The equipment that we work on, this stuff is state of the art. Our coordinate measuring machine is one of the tools that we use to inspect a lot of these tighter tolerances that we are expected to hit. We also use our optical comparator to inspect smaller features on a part. When the APS upgrade was going on, we were able to manufacture a lot of the parts that went into the new ring. We tested them here and delivered them over to APS. What I really enjoy about working at Central Shops is the safety and the teamwork, where everyone has freedom to either express their opinions or concerns when it comes to manufacturing different components and different things. Operating machinery, a very good team, some talented guys, a lot of guys who passed on a lot of knowledge, especially when I was an apprentice here. I was able to work with some guys who had been here for 30 plus years. A good day on the job is when I can come in, set up a job on the CMM, create a program, and inspect it, and everything turns out good on the first try. Tight tolerances were hit, all the features are where they need to be. I can deliver the product to the customer, and the customer comes back, they're happy, and we get good reviews. My name is Jonathan Torres, and I'm an inspector here at Central Shops.